Everyone, this is Seema Pathak from Nilan's tutorial. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.4, that is a part of quadratic equation. We are going to study about the formula method in this particular exercise. Let's see the first question. The question is given 2m square is equal to 5m plus 5. As we can see, this equation is not arranged properly. First we will arrange it. So when we will arrange it, we will get it as 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Then comparing this equation with standard form, we'll get it ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to compare this two. As we will compare, we can see in place of a we can write it as 2, in place of b we can write it as minus 5, and in place of c we can write it as plus 5. So we got the values of a, b and c, and such kind of question is asked in the board for 1 mark. So kindly practice it. Then next question is formula method. You can see the equation x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now again comparing this with the standard form, we will get the values of a, b and c. Then after that we have to see the formula. Formula for getting the root is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now as you can see the formula, if we'll get the value of b square minus 4ac, then it will be easier for us to put the values and solve the particular formula. So that's why first we will solve b square minus 4ac, as by putting the values we will easily get the value as 17. Let's see how it is done. In place of b we have put minus 3, so minus 3 the whole square will be 9. Then minus 4ac, that is minus 4 into, in place of a 1, in place of 2 it will be minus 2. So minus minus will get plus and it will become 8. So 9 plus 8 will be 17. Now putting the values of a, b and c as well as b square minus 4ac in the equation, we'll get in the formula we'll get minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So in place of b we'll put minus 3, and in place of b square minus 4ac we'll put 17, and into 2 into a, that is 2 into 1. So we'll get minus minus will become plus and it will become 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2. So x can be 3 plus root 17 upon 2, or x can be 3 minus root 17 upon 2. So 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let's see the next question. Y square plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. Again we have to arrange first the equation in a standardized form. It will become y square plus 1 upon 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Comparing this equation in the with the standard form, we'll get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 upon 3 and c equal to minus 2. Now putting the value in b square minus 4ac, we'll get 1 upon 3 the whole square, because the value of b is 1 upon 3, minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. So this minus minus will become plus, and this 1 upon 3 the whole square will be 3 3s are 9, that's why 1 upon 9 plus 8. Now after taking the LCM, 9 1s are 9, will get 1 into 1 1 plus 9 8s are 72. So after adding this, we'll get 73 upon 9. So x will be equal to minus b. As we know the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Putting the values, in place of b we'll put 1 upon 3, it will become minus 1 upon 3 plus minus root 73 upon 9 upon 2. As we know the value of root 9 is 3, so that's why we will write it as minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 3 root 73. So now taking the LCM, we'll get 3 as common, and then minus 1 plus minus root 73, and this will be divided by 2. Now this 2, when we will change it into a multiplication form, this will be 1 upon 2, and then this 3 into 2 will become 6, and this will be as it is minus 1 plus minus root 3. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. So and the answer or the given roots are what? Minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 minus 1 root 73 upon 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now one more question is given in your exercise 2.4, that is with the help of the flow chart given below, solve this equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So in this we have to find the value of ABC, even we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, then we have to write the formula to solve the quadratic equation, and then we have to substitute the values and find the root. So we have to solve it in the same manner, only the way of asking the question is different. But here they have not written directly that find out the value or find out the root by formula method. They have just twisted the question or just given in a conceptual form. So comparing x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we'll get the value a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 3 and c equal to 3. So putting the values of a, b and c in b square minus 4ac, we'll get 2. In place of b, we'll write 2 root 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 3. So 2 to the here when we are doing the square 2 root 3, so it will become 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 3. So that's why we will get 2 to the 4 and root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So that's why we'll get 12. Understood how we got 12? So 12 minus, and this will be 4 3s are 12. We'll get 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Now next is x. Applying the formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We'll get, in place of b we'll write 2 root 3 plus minus, in place of b square minus 4ac, as we got the answer 0, we'll write 0 and 2 into 1. So now here it doesn't have any value, so we will just leave it, and what will remain, that is minus 2 root 3 upon 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, we'll get the answer as minus root 3. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore the roots are real and equal, and that's why minus root 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation.